Nice music.
Persian RUG with M-A-R-Z. Nigga, you don't really want no problems. You don't want that. Like Mars told them niggas, you don't want no problem. Young fly niggas on our Persian rug.
P to the R to the I to the M-O B-R-E-E-Z-A-L-I-N-I. Nigga, who am I? Primo Breezolini, nigga, I'm a samurai. So here I go, swole flow, primo. Be the rap guy, by far, spit bars. Say my flow is too sharp. Real talk, don't even know how I come up with shit. I'm killing everything, yeah, every day I just do it, nigga. I'll shake and bake and do the step back, throw the alley-oop, but just shoot it, nigga. Just to show you that I got range. 13 zone from he got game. You on the sideline just commentating, watching faces, all kinds of hating. Got a team of niggas, y'all ain't doing shit, but they claiming nice. Y'all the New York Knicks, we the new era, that's TS. All facts, Brooklyn on the map, from Flat Kush, Cortell you nigga. Grade A Kush, shout out all my niggas. Flat Kush International, shout out Mills, nigga. Thanks to you, I say job blessed for the website. We build an empire from the ground, right? We taking this shit to another level, do whatever it is I have to just so I get better. Think of rhymes by the second, write them down by the minute. I revise the lines and roll a spliff when I finish 6 L's in an hour, nigga, high always. If I did this daily, then the week would be crazy. Supreme, we the highest, might as well move to space. Burn it down by the pound, too lighter, turn it down. I stay high, I mean I stay fly. I'm in the SI, super fresh shots. It's Breezoline, I know you felt the breeze. Cold motherfucker, but I'm bringing heat. Nigga, I be scorching flow 100 degrees. Nobody fucking with me or the team supreme. Better stay in school, don't wanna test I. Go on, motherfucker, take your best try. Nigga, do or die, for you a suicide. Nigga, kill yourself, fucking weak rhymes. Get it 9 to 5, working Geek Squad. That's your best buy or your best bet. Better go ahead before I call up my dread. Tell her bring in my tech just to earn my respect. I'm the shit though, you ain't shit though. Don't take it personal, I send shots, yo. Cause I know a couple vatos who be riding with the choppers. If a nigga got a problem, they like Vominos. I'm Breezatone, Bojangles. Cool or shine and go Bengals. Keeping it humble, some women be throwing a pussy and I say no thank you. Wait, shout out my nigga, go Bengals. Foxin' my nigga, the god of the kingdom. I thank you for all of the wisdom you giving a nigga. You really the realest. He behind the scenes, but still a mastermind. C7 clothing line, just watch us overshine. Cause we do it for the nation. See, we gotta feed the children. They the ones in the future who gon' take it past the limits. Oh, I rap, remind you of Iraq, the way I'm killing shit. Let me rewind that. When I rap, remind you of Iraq, the way I'm killing shit. And that's all facts. When I rap, remind you of Iraq, the way I'm killing shit. Let me rewind that. When I rap, remind you of Iraq, the way I'm killing shit. And that's all facts. Yikes. Shout out all the niggas out here killing shit. Lyrically, that is. I don't condone violence, but when it comes to this rap shit, I won't hesitate to kill a nigga. Yikes.